Hi everyone! Welcome to Owlie Crib of Learning. Today, we're going to study about the I sound. I sound, the diagram I, letters I and E with the sound of I.
The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye.
I. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. P, I, pie. The pie is so yummy. T, I, tie. The tie is colorful. D, I, die. I have a new die. Fries. Fries. Oh, these fries are yummy. Flies. Flies. The flies are coming. Pliers. Pliers. These pliers belong to my dad. I. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking.